This is a family suite at Cabana Bay in Universal Orlando. Has a mini kitchenette, microwave, coffee maker, mini fridge, sink. Cute little family sitting room. And this bed pulls out into this couch pulls out into a bed. Some drawers, little bar area. Has a sliding doors for a little bit of privacy. And then 2 queen beds, another TV. And then we have the sink with the toilet room, separate door. And then another door for the shower and a second sink. And then the cute little VO5 retro shampoo and conditioner. Some more drawers. Old clock, love that. And even a pretty large closet right over here. This is a great room for a family. This is a great resort with 2 big pools and even a lazy river walking distance to Volcano Bay.